Step up northwest. Okay. Yo, can you guys squeeze in the piece?
They're leaving us. Oh,
Yo, kick
they're
him northwest. Come. Nandiyan na si ano. Yo, ready defense southwest. Come northwest. Sino?
Parang wala.
Come northwest. Balik ka, come northwest. Balik ka. Keep walking, Balik ka. Keep walking. Okay? West side, Yo, jog. Yo, kill the guards inside. Kill the guards inside, Okay? Spread inside. Yo, watch my west side, Wait. Brawlers wait lang. Jog, keep sacking. Ready. Defend now. Everything. West side, on the jog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the jog. Big. Oh, spread east side. Heal up. Spread east side. Oh, spread east side. Spread south east side. Yo, kill the guards inside. Oh, spread south east side. Left up, watch the front. Brawlers wait. Okay? Ready defense. They're looking. Okay, defend front. Yo, huwag kayo sa main shot. Touch me. Kill the guards inside. DPS, kill guards. Oh, no. Yo, where's my DPS? Fine. Yo, spread southeast more. Left up in the front only. Okay, ready defenses. They're looking. Okay, they're looking. Jog, get ready, Spread.
They're targeting us.
Careful. Wait. They're gonna look soon. Ready defenses. Okay, they're gonna look soon. Spread. Looking. Ready, defend now. Counter. On the jog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter. Come back. You kill the guards at the back. DPS, with your front. Spread. Okay, heal up.
Ready to go.
Kill the guards. Where are you guys? Where's my DPS? Yo, spread. Heal up. Nandiyan pa rin kayo sa northwest, diba?
The guys
wait.
are killing how it was easy.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I said kill the guards. Yeah. Ready defenses. Yo, help all pa. Heal all pa. Ready defenses. They're looking. Spread southeast. Defend now. Shallow. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Okay. Yo, what's this? Kill this. Spread southeast. Come southeast. Yo, kill the guards. East side. Yo, spread southeast. Bro, no, huwag ka masyadong deep. Careful. Yo, ready. Looking. Defend now. They engage. Okay, kill me. Good. Heal me. Okay. Kill the guards. Excuse the guards. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, spread southeast. Yo, kill the guards. Yo, spread. They're looking. They're gonna look. Watch the front. Ready defenses. Defend now. Okay, they missed. Good.
Stop it.
Yo, kill the yo DPS. Everything inside. 5. Kill the guards. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside. Okay, nice. Wait. Ready defenses up front. They're looking up front. Ready defenses. Wait. Defend now. Defend up front. Heal all pa. Okay? Yo, step up a bit. Yo, brawlers walking, going at the back. Brawlers walking up from there. Everyone, get ready. We're gonna go deep. Marlika, get ready. Walking. Ready. Potions. We're going deep northwest. 5. Deep northwest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north of the terry. They come northeast. Spread north. Spread. Defend inside. Spread north. Brawl inside north side. We're gonna look north. Ready. Defend now. They miss. Everyone. Heal up. Brawl north side only. Marlika.
Nice. Get it back, bro.
Brawl north side. Yes. Brawl north side. Okay. Get ready. Marlika. Find me. Get ready. Hold south side. 5. Send it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it north. Send it. Spread. Yo, take the terry. Spread north. Yo, spread north. Yo, there's the terry base. Marlika, there's the terry base. Spread northeast, man. Okay, spread east side and Firlo. 10 seconds. Heal up. Yo, give me the banner. Spread east side. Give me the banner. Okay, yo, get ready, Marlika. Look at west side again. Hold the depth. Hold him. West side on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on the mage. Kill him. Let's spread. Heal up. Yo, heal me northeast side. I need healers on the northeast side. Don't let them heal me. Spread northeast side, Marlika. Marlika, find me. Spread northeast side. Marlika, heal up. West side. On me. Kill a caller. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill a caller. Okay, yo, listen. Listen. Come east. Yo, heal the west side, heal the west side, heal the west side. Heal me. Come west side, come east side, sorry, come east side. Okay, wait. Yo, we're gonna kill the caller again. Heal me, full heal me. Heal me. Oh, wait. West side on the corner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on him. Kill him. Just kill him already. Just kill him. Come back.
Down.
Yo, we kill mid. Wait. Yo, come back. Heal front. Yo guys, tangina. Sabi ko sa inyo, may mage sila na masakit eh. Lahat eh, nagpass out agad eh. Dahil no-wipe pa sila eh. Yo, step in. Get ready, Marlica, okay? Look at west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just west side. Hit west side, Marlica. Hit west side. Okay? Just spread east side. Yo, come back southeast. Range shoes, masakit yan. Come southeast, okay? Spread southeast. Yo, I need somebody looking on the Yo, do. Oh, do. Shaper. Okay, everyone walk up west again. We're gonna go deep again. Yo, give me ano. Walk up west side, deep again. Just walk. Ready, heal me. Ready defenses, full heal on me. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. And spread east side. Stop. Okay, where's my locus? Come southeast. Where's my offensive locus? Yo, heal front. Heals. Yeah. Yo, locus. Palocus ng ano. Wait, we kill mage. Yo, DPS, get ready. Hold on E. Yo, look at mage, west side. Everyone. Yo, shaper. Heal up. Marlica, step up again. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage.
J.
Come back. Wala kayong hit boots, okay? Hit boots. Kami side, spread. Yeah, spread. I'm waiting for my jugger. Spread. Wait.
Bakit lang ano, di sumatakbo ako.
Yeah, I know. Yo, can you guys listen to me well, right? Don't you kampante. Spread. Heal front. Okay, yo, listen, everyone. Yo, some of the DPS go southwest.
Spread lang ako.
I need one healer, ano? Yo, listen, we're gonna go deep west side, Yo, jug, kita mo yun. Deep west side. Stakan mo. Spread. They're looking, they're gonna look. Spread. Ready defenses. They're looking. Defend now. Heal. Walk in. Everyone potion. We're gonna go deep west on the jug. Look at the jug. Everything on the jug. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the jug. Malik, on the jug. Spread north. Damn. Spread north. Come northwest. Spread northwest side, okay? Spread northwest side. Yo, jug. Skull looking. Ready defenses. Defend now. Heal on everyone north side. Heals on the north side. Heal north side. Okay, take space north. Malika. Get ready, wait. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side. On me. Spread northwest again. Spread. Caller gonna look. Wait. Heal up. Spread northwest. Caller looking north. Wait. Spread. He's looking. Ready defenses. Okay. Wait, boys. Ready defenses. Heal me. Ready defenses. Defend north. Heal up on me. Spread. Yo, guard on me. Spread north. Brawl. Guard on me. Get ready. On me. 5, south. 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Spread northwest. Come west side niya. Come west side. Defend now. Come southwest. Yo, where's DPS? Come southwest. Heal up. Sige. Heal up. Come southwest. Heal up. Come southwest. Okay, heal up on everyone. Marlica, we're gonna turn on the choke. Look at the choke. Wait. Heal up. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. DPS. Okay, come back. Yeah, the DPS is not taking. Come west. Spread west. Spread southwest. DPS, wake up. Okay, spread. Hold. Yo, kill the guards here. Come southwest. Follow me. Inside. Follow me. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sino? Malaki?
Southwest.
D1.
Tapos ang ter.
So, heal up. Yo, guys, my DPS, you guys rap did not come from one side all. You guys are coming from all, you all are coming from one side, man. Kaya kayo nasa stop eh. Can you guys spread DPS? Come southwest now. Come, walk. Yo, kill the guards here. Using the on the guards first, Ready defenses, defend shallow. Northeast, shallow on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast, shallow on the choke. Northeast, shallow on the choke. Come back, come back, come back. Spread south side, boys, not northwest. Spread south side. Ready defenses, they're walking. They're walking. Ready defenses, defend shallow, defend shallow, defend shallow. Spread south side only, boys. Okay? Using W's on the guards. Using W's on the guards. Mahal ka. Using W. Yo, can you guys stop staying on the west side there? Gypso, Shaden, everyone. Just come southwest, okay?
I'm just killing the guys.
Just brawl the tanks inside. Brawl the tanks inside of me. Brawl the tanks inside of me, okay? Brawl the tanks inside of me. Yo, they're looking. Just stack on the choke. Just stack on the choke. We're gonna counter and headbutt on the choke. Marlika, get ready. Hold. We're gonna headbutt on the choke. Ready. Headbutt on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt on the choke. Full headbutt on the choke. Full headbutt on the choke. Come back, come back. Yo, guys. Apport, saan ba yan? Spread kayo south side, please. Spread kayo southwest. They can engage over the walls. Ba't yun ang mamatay? Spread southwest. Heal up, heal up, heal up. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Kill the guards. Kill the guards at the back. Brawlers, can you brawl the guards? Spread
That's
southwest.
what I'm doing. Kill the guys.
Spread southwest. Spread. They're gonna look, they're gonna look soon. They're gonna look soon. Careful. Get out of that fucking wall. Careful. Heal unit, get ready. They're looking. Defend shallow. Heal up. Everyone, northeast, 5, shallow, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow, boy, shallow. Nice. Come back, spread southwest. Heal up front, ready defenses, spread south, boys. Just like that, just wait. Kill the guards inside.
Nag-invest yung si Dandy, guys.
I know. Danny goes in, just be wary. Get ready for defenses, okay? Ready, they're looking again, okay? They're looking. Pakats GA if you can. Ready defenses, they're looking, ready, defend now, shallow. Northeast, east side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side. Come back. I need a earlier golem than that, man. Come on, you're the first one clumping dapat. Spread. Kill the guards, okay? Is the guards dead? Okay, no more
Guards
pressure,
dead.
Yo, wake up, boys, wake up. Yung brawlers ko, pwede kayo sa southeast side. I-brawl yung mga tanks doon.
Yeah.
Okay? Yo, listen, everyone, just spread. Careful. Ready defenses. They're looking shallow. Okay, wait. Shallow on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke only. Come back. Spread southwest. Careful. Heal front. Okay, good.
Set lang ako
Just hold. Yeah, wait. Spread southwest. Help my bomb squad.
Dito sa southeast na.
Yeah.
Guys,
Just
brawl
brawl.
yung tank sa harap.
Brawl the tanks in front. Wait. All pa, pwede mo i-bomb yung north side, yung deep north nila sa backline. I just need some people watching. Upward, seal up. Wait, boys, wait. Ready, they're looking. Wait. LPs, ready defenses. Yo, no. Yo, they're looking. They're gonna go deep. Wait. East side shallow. On the choke, wait. Perma engage on the choke. Defend now. Heal up lang. Wait. Heal up only. East side, shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Come back. DPS is slow. DPS faster. You guys are too slow. Spread southwest again. Hindi kayo nagsisync up. DPS go. Yeah, I need the locus on top of the choke. I need the locus. Searchy, I need the locus on top. Yo, kill the bedrock here. Yo, spread southwest. They're gonna look. Yo, kill this GA. Everything north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north. Kill everything north. Come back southwest. Yo, yung banner ko. Come back southwest. Spread southwest. Shaper. Okay, spread southwest. Just keep stacking, okay? Atake mo sila pag pa-engage na sila para ma-counter ko. You ready full guardians and wait.
Yung banner na talikod.
Yeah, it's fine. Look at the jug, Yo, ready guardian on the choke. Look at the jug, wait.
Bomber.
Wait. The guard through na. On the jug, wait. Shallow on the jug. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the jug. Full send it. Defense also. Come back.
DPS, don't be too far from movie.
Don't be too far. Kill front. Full heal front.
Ratio.
Spread southwest. Yo, some of my clap DPS, Listen, shabak may clap DPS, you guys can go here sa northwest ha. I'm gonna engage deep north ha. Yo, brawlers, can you, ready defense ha. Yo, everyone, DPS, rap north on the small gate, rap north on the small gate, everyone walk in, we're gonna go deep north. Everyone heal up front, we're gonna go deep northeast, deep northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go deep northeast. Okay, then spread north, they're gonna engage, come back southwest. Spread. Yo, hold them, let me come back, ready, defend out. Heal up on everyone, alright, 10 seconds, we're gonna walk in again, Heal up west side, wait boys, wait. Tanks walk in, everybody walk in again. Look at southeast deep, walk in, deep, potion again, deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, send them here, one shot them, one shot. And push southeast, boys, push southeast. Push southeast, spread southeast side. Don't brawl on the mage. I'm gonna tell again, don't brawl on the mage, okay? Careful inside, 10 seconds, just wait, spread, Marlica, spread, wait, boys, wait. Careful people at the north side, okay? Yo, listen, it's walking again on the mage, Tanks, look at the mage, on the mage, west side, on the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, one shot them here. Then spread, come back east side, heal up on everyone, come back east side, okay? Brawlers brawl. Bakit, try, suicide akin na yung banner. Come east side yung pillow, okay? Wait, boys, hold southeast side, heal up on everyone southeast side, okay? Yo, careful my brawlers north side, help my brawlers. Help my brawlers in the front, okay? Yo, listen, tanks, get ready to walk in again. Hold.
They're brawling.
On the mage only, west side only, on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage only. Come back, fully in front, come back southeast. Heal front, heal on everyone, man, healers, heal. Nice, then spread southeast, okay? Heal up, where's the heal, spread southeast, okay? Brawlers, careful may mage, careful brawlers, careful, wait. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Left tank, get ready to hold them, please hold them west side. Tanks, walk in. 3 seconds on the mage, 5, on the mage, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage. More damage. Oh, then spread east side again, Heal up on everyone. Yo, pa-revive si Ensis if pwede, Heal up. Come back south if you're low. Careful brawlers, heal my brawlers northwest. Heal northwest, healers, northwest, okay? Get ready, 10 seconds, wait. Heal up, come back east side, wait, boys, wait, heal up. Careful, heal up. West side, look at the mage, on the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage, boys, on the mage, more damage, nice one. Then come back east if you're low, wait, heal up lang, wait. Shaper. Boys, heal up lang. Wait, 10 seconds, wait, boys, wait. West side again, get ready, Yo, mauna ka, Earthmoon, Give me a fake now. Give me a fake, Earthmoon, give me a fake. Hold. On the mage only, wait, heal up, on the mage, counter, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the mage, one shot them here. Nice, then come back, heal up on everyone, okay? Heal up on everyone. Yo, we're gonna focus on mage, Marlica, focus on mage, okay? Yo, hold. Yo, careful northwest, help my northwest. Help my northwest. Heal up on everyone. Spread. They don't have any mage yet. Wait, Marlica. Wait. Look at the mage, Wait, we full send it on the mage. Tanks, attacking you sa mage, West side. Wait. West side, get ready. 5 on the mage. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on the mage. All damage on the mage. Man, hit the mage.
Okay, one shot.
Spread southeast. Heal front. Focus on the mage, boys. Please. Not the enemy, the mage. Heal up. West side, get ready. All CDs, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the mage only. Nice, then come back. Heal up on everyone. Good. Heal up. Shaper. Full heal. Heal inside. Okay, kill everything inside. Come south, okay? Kill this inside. Kill this inside, okay? Wait. Look at mage again, Wait. Oh, dude. Bakit ang full HP na naman? Oh, dude. Yo, Marlica, walk in northwest again. Heal up. Marlica, walking north. Tanks walking northwest. Yo, we're gonna go deep northwest, Tank walking. We're gonna go deep north. Southwest. Look at southwest of the base. Southwest of the tower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. More damage. Spread east side. Come back east side if you're low. Come back east side if you're low. Heal up on everyone. What full HP na naman yung bitch? The fuck?
Hihil nila.
Mga random pumapasok sa
No, spread. Yo, spread. Brawl inside. Get ready, west side again, wait, Marlica. Yo, give me a fake. Give me a fake. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me only. Come back. East side. Yo, Guardians, wake up. Pag-guard naman yung mga tank sa harap, man. Mga nagna-night armor sa harap
Gabriel,
namin.
ilbi ah.
Spread. Wait.
Kuming bigaw ah.
Spread. Yo, DPS, wait. DPS, heal up. Yo, DPS, listen, tanks walking north, tanks going deep north. Everyone walking deep north. Hold them, tanks hold this, tank hold them. Get ready. Everything north on top of us. 5, send it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on top. One shot them here. Let's spread. Roll them north only. Roll them north only. Okay, wait. Yo, careful south. Defend south. Heal south. Heal agad south. Heal agad. More heals. Okay. And come southwest yung below. Wait, boys. Come southwest. Sige. We're gonna keep going around the 30. Somebody get the banner. Come southwest. Come follow. DPS, we're gonna go look at north now. DPS, we're gonna look at north. 5,
They're engaging.
4, 3, deep, 2, 1, go deep. Marlica, go deep. Come back. Guardroon, man. Come back southwest. Guardroon, fix.
Lukon.
Guardroon. Yo, somebody get the banner. Spread southwest. Guardroon. Yo, DPS again, we're gonna go northwest. DPS, you're gonna go northwest again. You're gonna go to small gate. Jog walk in. Tanks walk in. Push them to the north side. DPS go from the north side gate. Everyone, get ready. Ready defense on the choka. They're gonna look on the choka. Just walk, go deep. Wait, just walk. On the jog, everything on the jog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the jog. Let's spread. Defense middle. Okay? Spread southwest again. Get out of the mage side. Pa-control na mage. Okay? Guardians on the mage. Okay, good. Nobody's dying. Just heal up. Again, heal up. Reset lang. Where's my banner? My banners are good, right? Okay. Wait, heal on pro. Oh, DPS, get ready again. Again, DPS, you can come from the north side. Okay, DPS, go in now. DPS, go in now. Tanks walk in. Tanks hold them. Spread. Yo, heal unit inside. 5, inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Let's spread. Go back southwest. You ready? Defend east side. Good. Heal up on everyone. Yo, get the banner. Okay. Yo, listen. Heal up. Wait. Yo, wag niyo i-leash yung mage. Wag niyo i-leash yung mage. You get ready. Look at the mage. East side on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on the mage. Sayang, nalate yung hatak dun. Come back. Kill up front. Full defend in front. Pull in front. Pull in front. One barrier mage. Full heal. Yo, heal me. Ready defenses on me. They're gonna look on me. Ready defenses. Wait. Heal up. Send it on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on the mage. Yo, heal up front. Heal me. Okay, spread southwest. One bar na lang yung mage. 1% yung mage. Yo, brawlers. Brawl the mage. Everything on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the mage. Brawl the mage. 7,600 HP. Brawl the mage. DPS. Brawl the mage. Everything on the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage. Kill the mage. Everyone walk in after killing mage. Walk in. Catch all of them. Banner.
Color dead.
Catch them all.
Ito, overweight to.
Heal up east side. Heal up southeast. Yo, paano neto agad
Just niggers. Loot guys.
I'm
Sa dito, medyo mabigat yung isa.
finally I can breathe.
Loot guys. May mga ano.
Yo, everything on the tower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it. Guard on me. Man. Yo, stop them from stopping me.
Yo,
Stop them from stopping me.
Agila.
Yo, stop them from stopping me. Let me cap the Terry.
Agila going northeast.
Lalangan ng mage. Tangin ng mage to.
Oh my god.
One shot. Yo, listen, nung unang na-wipe na natin sila, wag naman sana kayo mag-brawl sa mage. Tangina level 8 yung mage eh. Kaya nga pinapakite ko kayo sa north side or pa southeast ulit eh. Dapat tapos na sa first round yun eh.
Baby, Daddy B. Ilan kills ko, Daddy B?
Yeah, wait, regroup yung Terry first, Brawlers stay in Terry. Healers stay in Terry also. Brawlers and healers stay in Terry. And tanks also.
Daddy B, tignan mo.
Love you on course.
Yo, listen, we're gonna wait for Outlaw.
Ay na, sayang yung mga execute ko doon.
Healers, good job healers.
Kami ganda. Kaya nga. Tuloy.
Yung death fame ko, bumalik.
Kami sayang, namatay ako.
Tangin ng mage yan, ang sakit-sakit.
5M na loot ko eh.
Gets ko rin, mage ko rin.
Yo, listen, dapat sa first round pa lang, dapat tapos na sila dun eh. Yung sa, na-brawl na sila ng brawlers natin.
Nag-overstay tayo dun, ang daming patay.
Ang problema nun, tangina, nagpa-brawl kayo sa mage ng kalaban eh.
Akala ko panalo na tayo dun, naubos sila dito, di ba?
Inubos sila ng mage pre.
Ang sakit nung mage, nag-overstay lang talaga, napatay na natin eh.
Yun na nga, sinabi ko na wipe na nga yung kalaban. Kailangan lang